Welcome to Procurement Doodles, where guidelines come to life, one doodle at a time. We're in our How to Select Consultants video series. In this video, we'll explore 3 selection methods: quality and cost-based selection, Qcbs, selection under a fixed budget, FBS, and the least cost selection, LCS method. Let's begin. Quality and cost-based selection, or Qcbs, is the preferred method for selecting consultants under Sri Lanka's procurement guidelines. It balances technical quality and price to get the best value. Here is the overall Qcbs process at a glance. Invite expressions of interest and advertise. Prepare a shortlist of qualified firms. Prepare the request for proposals. Issue the RFP to shortlisted firms. Receive technical and financial proposals. Evaluate technical proposals. Publicly open financial proposals of those who passed technical evaluation. Perform combined evaluation, quality plus cost. Negotiate with the highest ranked firm. Award the contract. Now let's walk through each step in detail. Before choosing Qcbs, make sure the assignment meets these requirements. First, the terms of reference must be clear and well-defined. Second, staff time and other inputs can be reasonably estimated. Third, consultants can propose comparable approaches so price comparison is meaningful. If these are met, Qcbs is your best choice. Step 1. Prepare the terms of reference and cost estimate. Step 2. Advertise for expressions of interest. Give at least 14 days for national, 30 days for international. Step 3. Shortlist up to 7 qualified firms. Step 4. Prepare and issue the request for proposals. Step 5. Consultants submit 2 separate sealed envelopes, one technical, one financial. Proposal preparation takes 28 days for national, 42 days for international. Step 6. Open only the technical proposals publicly. Each committee member evaluates independently. Only firms scoring above the minimum threshold, typically 70 to 80 points, move forward. Step 7. Then, publicly open the financial proposals of those qualified firms. Step 8. Combined evaluation. The lowest financial proposal gets 100 points. Others get a proportion. Lower price, higher score. Then combine 80% technical plus 20% financial. The firm with the highest combined score wins. Step 9. Invite the top-ranked firm to negotiate. Under Qcbs, you negotiate only the technical scope, methodology, and deliverables. Staff rates and unit prices are not negotiated. Step 10. Award the contract. Now the pros and cons. Pros. Qcbs encourages a healthy trade-off between quality and cost. It's transparent. Financial proposals are opened publicly. And negotiations are simpler because price is already factored into selection. Cons. It's rigid. Staff rates cannot be renegotiated later. For very complex or innovative assignments, consultants may avoid creative approaches to keep costs low. And it requires a well-defined TOR. If the scope is vague, use Qcbs when the assignment is clear, measurable, and quality matters, but cost still counts. Remember, committee authority depends on estimated value. CPCC handles high-value contracts. CPCM, CPCD, and CPCP handle lower thresholds. To recap, Qcbs follows a 10-step process, from EOI to contract award. It requires a clear TOR and estimable inputs. It balances 80% quality and 20% cost. It offers transparency and simplicity, but lacks flexibility on price negotiation. Follow the steps and you'll run a compliant Qcbs process. Fixed budget selection, or FBS, is used when the budget is absolutely fixed and cannot be exceeded. You disclose the budget in the RFP. Consultants submit technical and financial proposals. You evaluate quality first, then open financials, and immediately reject any proposal that exceeds the budget. From the rest, you pick the highest-ranked technical proposal. Now let's walk through the step-by-step details of the fixed budget selection method. As we discussed during the previous method, the Quality and Cost-Based Selection, or QCBS, we followed a 10-step comprehensive process. During FBS, up to Step 8, the same procedure is followed. The only differences appear after the public opening of financial proposals. Let me show you. Steps 1 through 7 are identical to QCBS. Invite EOI and shortlist up to 7 firms. Prepare the RFP. But in FBS, state the fixed budget clearly. Issue RFP. Receive 2 envelopes, technical plus financial. Evaluate technical proposals. Only those scoring above 70 to 80% proceed. Then, publicly open financial proposals. So far, exactly the same as QCBS. Step 8. This is where FBS differs from QCBS. In QCBS, after opening financial proposals, we calculate financial scores and combine them with technical scores. In FBS, we do not calculate financial scores. Instead, we check each financial proposal against the fixed budget. Any proposal whose evaluated price exceeds the fixed budget is immediately rejected. No further consideration. Step 9. From the proposals that remain within budget, select the one with the highest technical score. Cost is not scored, it's just a pass or fail. Step 10. Invite that firm for negotiations. Under FBS, as with QCBS, you negotiate only technical aspects, methodology, work plan, and deliverables. Staff rates and unit prices are not negotiated. Step 11. Award the contract. So, to summarize, FBS follows the QCBS process for the first 7 steps. The difference starts at Step 8. You reject over-budget proposals, then pick the highest technical score among the rest. No cost weighting, no financial scoring. Pros of FBS: budget certainty, transparency, and still prioritizes quality. Cons: TOR must be extremely precise. If the budget is set too low, all proposals may be rejected. And remember, the same threshold limits apply as QCBS. CPCC for values of Rs 250 million or more nationally, or 500 million internationally. Lower committees handle lower values. That's the fixed budget selection method. Simple, budget-safe, and quality-driven. Use FBS when the budget is truly fixed and the scope is clear. So far, we've covered the quality and cost-based selection, QCBS, and the fixed budget selection, FBS methods. Now, let's turn to a simpler approach, the least cost selection, or LCS, method for selecting consultants. Least cost selection, or LCS, is used for routine, standard assignments. You evaluate technical proposals first, but only to ensure a minimum quality threshold. All proposals that pass that threshold then compete solely on price. The lowest priced proposal wins. LCS is simple, fast, and best for assignments where quality is easy to specify and standardize. Unlike QCBS or FBS, LCS prioritizes price after basic quality. 9 steps. Invite EOI, shortlist, prepare RFP with minimum technical score, issue RFP, receive 2 envelopes, evaluate technical proposals, pass-fail, open financials of those who pass, select lowest price, then negotiate an award. Simple, fast. Price wins after quality passes. Steps 1 to 5 are the same as QCBS and FBS. Invite EOI, shortlist, prepare RFP, issue it, and receive 2 envelopes. Step 6. Evaluate technical proposals. But here's the key difference. You only check if they meet a minimum qualifying mark, typically 70 to 80 points. No scoring beyond that, just pass or fail. Step 7. Publicly open the financial proposals of only those firms that passed the technical threshold. Step 8. Compare the prices. The proposal with the lowest evaluated price wins, regardless of whether it scored 71 or 99 on technical quality. Step 9. Negotiate technical aspects, if needed, and award the contract. QCBS balances quality and cost. FBS picks the best quality within a fixed budget. LCS is different. Quality is just a pass-fail filter. Once you clear that bar, price decides everything. Choose the method that fits your assignment. Pros: simple, fast, transparent, encourages price competition. Cons: not suitable for complex or high-impact assignments. May sacrifice higher quality for a lower price. When to use LCS: audits, simple surveys, routine design or supervision. Well-established standards exist. Thresholds: same as QCBS FBS for LCS. CPCC for national equals Rs 250 million. International equals Rs 500 million. Lower committees handle. To summarize, least cost selection is for routine assignments like audits and simple surveys. Quality is pass-fail. Once a firm hits a minimum technical score, 70 to 80 points, only price matters. Lowest price wins. Pros: simple, fast, transparent. Cons: not for complex work. May sacrifice higher quality for a lower price. Use the same thresholds as QCBS and FBS. LCS: price wins after quality pass. In this video, we covered 3 selection methods: QCBS, FBS, and LCS. In the next video, we'll explore the remaining methods: quality-based selection, QBS, consultants qualification selection, CQS, and single source selection, SSS. Stay tuned, one doodle at a time. Thanks for watching. Hey, if you want to never miss a future upload, hit that red subscribe button, then click the bell icon right next to it. From the pop-up, choose all notifications. That way, every time we drop a new video, you'll get an instant alert. Let's grow together. Subscribe and turn on the bell now.